Looking for private water and sewer services in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert solutions to keep your water and sewer systems running efficiently. From septic maintenance to clogged sewer line repairs, our licensed professionals deliver fast, reliable, and affordable service tailored to your home's needs. In Edmonton, private water and sewer systems require specialised care. Our local expertise ensures we handle everything, from private water system installations to emergency sewer repairs, with precision and efficiency. At Kingstree Plumbing, we're committed to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction with every service we provide. Need expert private water and sewer services in Edmonton? Contact Kingstree Plumbing today.